Wouldn't it be amazing if you didn't have to wait until you create an elaborate, full-fledged course on your CoachRack school before you actually got down to the selling part? It can be a tedious process. Yes, most course creators have at some point of time wondered as to how amazing it would be if they could start selling tiny bits of information while creating a course side by side. Now, creating and selling tinier bits of knowledge has two benefits. Number one, your learners are more likely to invest their time in this bite sized training material that's not only cheaper than a course, but also quicker to consume. And second, it takes next to nothing on your part to create it and make it available for purchase. This form of training is called microlearning, wherein you just create lessons or lectures on various topics and sell them as standalone products from your school. And on GradHut, standalone lectures are undoubtedly an attractive form of training because they solve one primary problem that students today cannot seem to deal with: lack of attention. Think about it. In the world of social media, it takes 10 seconds for you to scroll down from one post to another. How will you be able to claim the attention of a student for a long period of time then? The needs of learners are changing. We're living in the fast-paced era where people have limited time to learn something they need to excel in their career or life. So, you must pack enough significant information within a matter of minutes for a student to watch fully and benefit from. And lectures open a brand new of opportunities where they're the true definition of education on demand. Unlike courses, they are focused on specific and narrower topics. They're not elaborate like courses that have like 10, 15, 20 lessons. Instead, they're single lectures and are much shorter in length. And the only difference is that they're paid. So, to summarize, the key difference between a lecture and a course is that where a lecture is a single, standalone lesson on a specific topic, a course is a collection of lessons on a much elaborate topic. As you can see on the screen right now, the comparison between both, whereas where a lecture is a standalone lesson that can be sold individually, courses are a collection of lessons, right, which are sold as one single unit. Then, a lecture covers a small topic at length, whereas a course provides comprehensive learning about a subject. And lectures last usually for about 8 to 10 minutes, right? And courses are much more elaborate. They have a series of individual lectures that can last for 8 to 10 minutes themselves. Then courses can also come with add-ons like assignments, quizzes, certification, which are not needed in terms of a lecture. Lastly, lectures are priced moderately, like they do not command as high a price as a course, right? But the good thing is that both are sellable and you can put a price tag on both of them. But lectures are much more compact, crisp, to the point, as opposed to courses that can be as detailed as you'd like them to be. On GradHut, creating and selling a lecture is as easy as adding a lesson to your course. And in the next video, we'll see how. Thank you for watching this one. Bye-bye.